This is the truth about attraction. Okay? Di ba parang tataka kayo, bakit ganun? Hindi naman siya ganun kagwapuhan. Hindi naman siya ganun kapogi, pero nagkaroon siya ng magandang girlfriend. This is because, ito yung truth about attraction. Looks only matter to a certain degree. Okay? Looks is only important for the first 10-15 seconds of your interaction. Yun lang yun. This is because looks is only important to capture attention so women can notice you. Okay? Sa mga nagsabi na looks are everything. Ganyan. Looks are everything for the first 10 to 15 seconds. Okay? Gagamitin mo lang yung looks. Okay? Gagamitin mo lang yung looks in order for you to have a very good first impression. It is only enough to make someone notice you. Pero looks cannot guarantee someone will stay. Someone will maintain their attraction sa'yo. Okay? Looks can only spark attraction. But it cannot maintain or keep attraction. Malinaw ba tayo doon?